Tired of living with constant pain? In this video, you'll understand how pain medicine really works and how long it can keep you pain-free. Welcome to Kolkata Pain and Spine Clinic, led by Dr. Krishna Poddar. Stay till the end to see how non-surgical treatments can relieve pain safely, effectively, and without downtime.
So again, this question is very, very important because most of the patients, they ask this question. But in these chronic pain conditions are either the degenerative conditions most of the time, or the chronic trauma, or the result of any chronic condition, or the cancer, osteoarthritis. If you see, these conditions are always progressive. You cannot think if the osteoarthritis will not progress with the age. All these conditions are due to the chronicity and the aging factor. These two factors are important. So if we do the procedure, it gives good relief. If you say 60-70% pain relief, so that we say 100%, and patient should be also informed so that he should expect what is there. Patient's expectations should be always explained, understand, and we have to tell them or discuss, and we have the good counseling. And if you say pain relief stay, actually it is a myth. Pain relief doesn't stay. If the patient has anything degenerative condition, maybe after 6 months, 1 year, 4 years, the patient's condition can come back. It may be if we have done the minimum spinal endoscopy procedures for a patient of a L4-5 disc collapse, but he may have the reprolapse, which can occur even after the surgery or 3-4. So it may happen anytime. So this is very difficult to say how many days, but the quality of life which is increased in a good way is the very, very important. So sometimes if you say we do treatment for the trigeminal neuralgia radiofrequency or the balloon decompression, then it is the 4-5 years, sometimes 8 years, and sometimes the pain doesn't come back. But if you see knee osteoarthritis, it is a progressive condition, degenerative condition. So it may be patients after radiofrequency, even full radiofrequency or conventional, patient's pain can come back after 1 year, 2 years, because degeneration is continuing process. So if you see cancer, if we give good pain relief, then if we do any neural nerve radiofrequency or the neurolysis, but the nerve regenerate. And as we are not removing the source of the pain, like malignancy, pain can come back. So it depends upon the condition of a patient, age of the patient, and what treatment we are doing. So it depends.